Let's turn though from Kerala to Mumbai, where remember heavy rains have lashed the city all through last week. But today I want to bring you a story where you could help also. A 55-year-old woman managed traffic in Mumbai for several hours. She did so even as she lost her belongings to the rains and amidst the waterlogging. Here is a report on the selfless service of Kantabai, who lives on the pavements of Mumbai. Take a look.
In knee-deep water on Tulsibai Road in Matunga on August 4th, a 55-year-old woman stood near an open manhole, frantically directing traffic. She stood there, steering vehicles from impending danger for nearly 8 hours. And during the entire period, she had nothing to eat. The 55-year-old prevented many accidents that day and probably saved a few lives as well. Meet Kanta Murthy Kalyan, the hero of Mumbai who everyone is raving about on social media. Kantabai, who makes garlands for a living, explains why she stood on the road.
इतनी पब्लिक जा रही है, कोई गिर जावे, कुछ हो जावे, इसके लिए मैं गटर से हिली नहीं
अब 8-9 घंटे तक
नहीं। उतना पानी निकलने के बाद, पूरा पानी खलास होने के बाद गटर बंद करी, बाद में निकल के सोई में।
Kantabai had opened the sewer on her own and stood there till the water level receded. The rainwater had washed away her own meager belongings and the money she saved to buy her daughter a smartphone for online classes.
बच्चे पढ़ाई कर पाए, कोरोना समय पे भी इसका आपने बंदोबस्त किया था।
हाँ,
इसी तरीके से।
हाँ,
तो वो पैसा बह गया,
सब बह गया। तो इसके लिए तो स्कूल चालू हुआ, कोरोना थोड़ा कम हुआ तो बच्चे लोग को ऑनलाइन स्कूल चालू है। मतलब किताब ले सकती है, कुछ किसी और थोड़ा पैसा लेके, थोड़ा एक मोबाइल सादा पीस लेके पढ़ाई कर सकती है। तो सब बह गया तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाई।
This mother of 6 daughters is the sole breadwinner of the family and lives on the pavement. Her husband lost an arm and a leg after he was hit by a car on the footpath. Many citizens online saluted her heroic spirit and selfless service for Mumbai.
Heroes don't always wear capes, and we have with us one such example, one such inspiration from Mumbai. This woman stood on an open manhole on 4th of August when Mumbai witnessed massive record-breaking rainfall. She stood on that manhole just so that nobody else loses his or her life because of these kind of negligence by the authorities. With camera person Prashant Bhatt in Matunga, Mumbai, I'm Tanushree Pandey for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.